Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a charged phone, stable Wi-Fi, and a recent backup so you can recover if needed. Once done, open Settings, go to About Phone and Record Model and Build. This matters when choosing updates. Make sure developer options are off unless instructed, because OTA checks depend on normal system state. Then navigate to System Update and tap Check for Update to start the first actionable step of downloading the official package. You should monitor the download and review release notes to understand fixes and potential breaking changes. While downloading, clear storage or move large files so the installer has room. Insufficient space causes failures. Once download completes, tap Install Now or Schedule Install at Night. If installation stalls, reboot to Recovery and choose Apply Update from ADB or Local, but only after confirming you have the correct firmware. This preserves data and ensures the update runs under expected conditions. After the update, you'll complete setup prompts and verify the Android version under About Phone to ensure success. Make sure to update apps so they match new APIs and test key functions like calls, Wi-Fi, and sensors. If the device misbehaves, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps. Once confirmed, clear system cache from recovery to fix residual issues. If problems persist, a factory reset typically resolves conflicts. Restore your backup afterward to get back to normal quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.